Meetings are essential to get work done, whether in person or remote, one-on-one or in a group. Effective meetings and discussions inspire us, uncover opportunities, and drive actions. However, we're all familiar with the painful experience of multitasking during a meeting, trying to actively listen and speak while scrambling some notes together. After the meeting, we had to spend countless hours flipping through notes or listening to the recording, but still end up losing key information due to human errors. What if there's a better way? Introducing Laxis, your smart meeting assistant that helps you lead an effective meeting anywhere, anytime. Boost your productivity and gain valuable insights. With Laxis, you can dial into a conference call as you do today and fully engage in the conversation without distraction. Hands on the meeting, hands off the note-taking. Laxis's proprietary AI technology accurately captures and transcribes conversations in real time. You can customize Laxis's AI to automatically extract valuable meeting takeaways, highlights, and next steps. Lastly, with just a few clicks, you'll have a summary automatically generated right after the meeting, ready to be shared. Come join the many other professionals today to boost your efficiency and gain more insights from your meetings with Laxis. In this video, we're going to show you how to use Laxis to record, transcribe, generate memos, and manage your conversation insights. You can also use Laxis to search, edit, and share your transcripts, memos, and insights with your team. After you've logged into your account, you will see the main dashboard. At the very top, you can see there are 3 ways to record and transcribe a meeting. Record through microphone, upload a local file, and import from Zoom. When you sign up, by default, there will already be a few sample conversations. Feel free to take a look and play around with it. On the right-hand side, you can connect your Google Calendar. Just click Connect, link your Google account, and you will see your upcoming meetings here. You can also see your meeting types by creating meeting templates, and you can see your meeting quota at the bottom based on your plan. Before we record any meetings, let's first try to set up a meeting template. The reason you want to select a meeting template before you record or upload anything is so Laxis can analyze your meetings while recording or editing. By setting up a template, you can add preset topics and keywords. On the meeting template page, type in your meeting template name, and on the left side, click this icon or hit enter to add it. Go to this meeting template and add any topics for your meeting. Type in your topics and click the plus icon or hit enter. When you have a topic, you will see there's an option for you to create keywords. Creating a keyword allows Laxis to better understand your meetings and extract the exact quotations that contain this keyword. Of course, you may not know what keywords you're looking for before your meeting, but you can always come back to your template and add new topics and keywords. Now that we have a new meeting template, let's go back to the home page and record something. Let's record a meeting by clicking the record button right here. First, select a meeting template. In our case, we'll use the template we just created. Next, click Proceed. Now you're in the recording page. You can record your meetings, calls, and interviews here. On the right side are the topics we just created. You can assign a topic to a real-time transcription by clicking the topic. Once you finish recording, just click Stop. You can find your recordings in the Conversations page. You can also upload an existing conversation. Simply click the Upload button and select your recording. Then you can find your conversation in the Conversation page. Okay, let's take a look at the Conversations page. This is where you can find all your audio files. You can edit your recording here by selecting a conversation. We'll use a default demo conversation as an example. Now, you should be on the Editors page, and this is where you can edit your transcription. You can click on the play button to play the recording. Additionally, you can also edit the transcription. For example, if you want to delete the sentence, you can select the whole sentence and delete it. Or, if the transcription is not accurate, you can edit it by deleting words or adding words. Note that once you start editing anything, the player will automatically stop playing the conversation until you click the play button again. With the topics on the right side, you can select a sentence and right-click to assign the sentence to a topic. Now you can see the exact quote tagged by this topic in the memo column. If you want to use a different template or set of topics for this recording, you can simply do so by clicking Change Template and reselect the template.
Then rerun transcript and you can use a different set of topics. Correspondingly, Laxis will auto-generate a different set of memos based on those different keywords. If you have a lot of meetings or conversations, Laxis's Intelligent Conversation Analysis tool will come in handy. You can view the analysis and quotations on the Insights page. First, choose a meeting template on the left side and you can see all the topics and keywords you created. Hovering on a specific topic allows you to see how many times this topic is being tagged. Moving down to the Conversation section, simply select a topic and you will see all the keywords under this topic. You can also select multiple topics and view all the keywords under these topics all at once. When clicking on a keyword or multiple keywords, you will filter out quotations that don't contain this keyword. Lastly, you can download your report by clicking this download button here. You can export your report in multiple different file types, such as Word or PDF. The last useful feature offered by Laxis's Intelligent Conversation Insight platform is search. You can easily search any keyword on this platform. Just type in your keyword and you will see all the conversations that mention this keyword. Thank you for watching our tutorial on managing your conversation insights using Laxis. If you're curious on how Laxis can help make your meetings better and smarter, come check us out at laxis.tech.